job, Dr. Firaz Hosein. By the time I give the bio, I will ask Dr. Firaz Hosein to come on over here up on the stage so that we can save some time. Dr. Firaz Hosein is an internal medicine physician who has been in practice for 22 years. After receiving his medical degree, he trained at Mount Sinai Medical Center, Jackson Memorial Hospital, and Miami Heart Institute. He's a board certified internal medicine, hospice, and palliative care, and certifies in hyperbaric medicine. Dr. Hosein is in private practice and also sees patients at Broward Health Hospital. In addition, he is a clinical assistant professor at North Southeastern University School of Medicine. He currently serves a medical leadership council at hospitals as well as outpatient medical facilities. He is the recipient of many awards for excellence in the patient care and supporting allied health. He's also recognized for his work in directly caring for COVID-19 patients. Dr. Hosein has been active in the Muslim community, especially in supporting dawah efforts. He has been married to attorney Sister Suraya Hosein for 22 years, mashallah, and he's the father of 2 sons, mashallah. Dr. Firaz Hosein is also the son of Shiraz and Hassaina Hosein, mashallah, mashallah. I have a question from Dr. Hosein. We will not just give the plaque right away, Dr. Hosein. We have a question for you. Do you still remember your white coat ceremony? I have just attended a white coat ceremony last year. Amazing, superb. And the commitment which they take from you when you go through that white coat ceremony, everybody has to remember that. I request all the doctors to remember that your white coat ceremony when you become a doctor, or to just start becoming a doctor, inshallah. And then if you remember that oath which you have given, then you will serve the community, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Floor is yours. Thank you very much, doctor. Good to be with you. Appreciate
it. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for this opportunity, Alhikmat services. It is indeed an honor, and I'm definitely not deserving of this honor, because I'm sure there's a lot more people out there who do a lot more than I do for such a esteemed award. I can tell you, I've heard everyone talk about the years they've been here, but I've actually have a story myself. I actually grew up in this community as a teenager, and there was many a time I would come to Jummah prayer, and I remember migrating here with my family, and in this community almost 25, 30 years ago, there was nothing, there was nothing established where families could go to and have a dialogue or have learning or any kind of established institutions where knowledge, especially Islamic knowledge, could be passed on. And that's kind of where Maulana Shafayat and I kind of cross paths. And the work you see here today, and the results of what you're seeing today, and even the raising of the $100,000 in a matter of minutes, I sat there, and that was not unexpected. That's the person he is, because he's always been engaging with other communities, and it was one of the things that attracted me to this organization. I don't really live in this community a whole lot. I live up in the north section, Coral Springs, but I still have ties to this community. My family's here, and I still, in fact, I look back at times where we've done so many events. One of my last events I did with Maulana was going to Hajj with him and his family, and it was a very rewarding experience. And I've always told him he has my full support, my full pledge. I run an ad in Alhikmat as part of that support, and I encourage everyone to continue supporting him and his organization as much as possible. His work is great, and I hope it continues to live on in the future. Thank you again, Maulana.